Hi students, welcome to my channel. Today I am discussing about hydroboration oxidation. Hydroboration oxidation on alkene. Alkene, that is one example, CH2, CH2. This is ethene. Ethene react with BH3 THF tetrahydrofuran and water NaOH basic medium. Then we will get product is CH3 CH2OH. So what is the mechanism for this reaction? Actually BH3 exists in dimer form. This is monomer. BH3 is monomer form. It will be actually exist in dimer form, that is B2H6 diborane. This is just borane, this is diborane. It is a dimer form. So this BH3 is Lewis acid. Lewis acid means electron pair acceptor. To stabilize this BH3, we are using tetrahydrofuran. THF is nothing but this 5-member ring compound. This is lone pairs. This lone pair, this is base. Lewis base. This Lewis base react with the BH3, it having vacant orbital, it gives to this one, and this is acid. Which one? Lewis acid. Acid base react and form a stable complex. That's why we are using, what is the role of tetrahydrofuran to stabilize the BH3. That purpose only we are using here tetrahydrofuran as a solvent. Okay, so sometime they may ask the question in the competitive exam, what is the role of tetrahydrofuran? This is the reason to stabilize the BH3 monomer. It is a Lewis base. According to the Lewis acid base theory, lone pair donor and form coordination covalent bond, that is a Lewis base. Lone pair acceptor and form coordination covalent bond, that is a Lewis acid, and both as a complex they are BH3 will be stabilized. That is the role of THF. Next, mechanism of this one reaction. CH2 double bond CH2. This is react with the BH3. This pi bond shift to here. Here actually how many hydrogens are there? 3 hydrogens are there. I will write one is separate, and this will be, I will write like this, BH2. This is negatively charged. This will be move like this, then it is negative charge, this is positive charge. This negative and this one bond form, then we will get here CH3 single bond. This is positive and this is negative. This is also form like this BH2. So how many hydrogens are there? That many hydrogens should be all shifted to this ethene form. Then it will be take 3 moles. Then this step will be repeat and form CH3 CH2 taken 3 times of boron. This is 3 times bonded with the boron, because how many hydrogens? Total 3 hydrogens are at the boron. So like this we have to take the 3 ethene molecule, then 3 hydrogen will be added to this ethene and it form like this. After this reaction with the water and NaOH, we will get this CH3CH2OH. This is just a normal mechanism. What is the exact clear mechanism for this reaction? It is just one step or two step type mechanism. So what is exactly, and here we are using H2O2 also. So what is the role of this H2O2 also? We will discuss now. So now after this formation, the clear mechanism will be CH3CH2 be taken twice. So actually this hydrogen peroxide, this will be moved like this. First I will write only this ionized form, and we will get here HOO negative charge and this plus. In presence of base, this will be take like this, and it will be converted into, instead of this H plus we can write directly H2O. This is lone base. Now boron having how many ethyl groups? 3 ethyl groups on boron. So now this part HOO negatively charged. This negatively charged will attack to this one, because now also it is having vacant orbital. Then it will accept the pair of electron and it will be converted into boron like this. So now this bond will be break and added to this one, this will be eliminate. Then we will get here boron. Now oxygen on this ethyl group, 1 2 carbons are there, and this will be minus OH. OH minus is eliminated. Then like this, how many remaining ethyl groups are there? 2. So 2 times this step will be repeat. 2 times this step will be repeat. Then what we will get here product? B O ethyl O ethyl O ethyl. So this complex again react with the water molecule. This are OH minus. This OH minus already here eliminated, that one will shift to here and this will be eliminate. After elimination we will get here B O ethyl group, O ethyl group, and this will be OH, which is eliminated here ethyl group, ethoxide, that is CH3CH2O minus. Like this, remaining how many groups are there? 2. So here also this step will be repeat 2 times. 2 times this step will be repeat. Then we will get here BO3 minus, because here this one OH is added to here. No, 1 minute. Already 1 is there. Like this we will get B OH 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 and remaining 2 CH3 CH2O minus. This one react with water molecule, this one only. Like this, how many are there? 2 plus here 1, 3. It form 3 moles of CH3, CH2, OH. And this one H3BO3, it is boric acid react with the base and it form Na3BO3, remaining will get the H2O like this also. Okay, so this is a clear mechanism of hydroboration oxidation. And what are the silent features of this hydroboration oxidation? We'll discuss now. Important points for the competitive exams. This mechanism may not be asked because nowadays it is not descriptive, it is objective type. That's why we have to only remember what is the role of this THF and which type of product will form. This hydroboration oxidation is regioselective and stereoselective. First point. The second one is H and BH2 addition is anti-addition, syn addition. Syn mean both hydrogen and BH2 will be added to same side to the double bond. Next one. This will be non-Markovnikov products. Somebody will say anti-Markovnikov products. Instead of using that anti-Markovnikov product, we have to use non-Markovnikov products. And product is stereo specific. Next, sometime we will use 9BBN instead of BH3. What is the 9BBH meaning? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is called 9 bora bicyclo 331 nonane. 9 bora bicyclo 331 nonane. That's what it is called, simply 9BBN. And the next important one, if cyclic compounds are there, that time exo product is major. So these are the important points of hydroboration oxidation. Keep in mind, very important is syn addition, and next one is the non-Markovnikov anti-Markovnikov product is a major product, and this product will be stereo specific only. If cyclic compounds are there, that time it gives an exo product. Next, I will give the what is the syn addition, regioselective and stereoselective. So now CH3 CH double bond CH2, this will be react with the BH3 THF water molecule and H2O2 and NaOH. Then what will be the product? Anti-Markovnikov product or non-Markovnikov product? Generally non-Markovnikov both same, and Markovnikov product and non-Markovnikov product. Generally non-Markovnikov product CH3, CH2, CH2OH. This is a major product, stereo specific. So already I told you the syn addition of H and BH2. So what is the exact explanation about this syn addition? CH total how many bond? Double bond is it? This bond CH, otherwise here only this BH3. This will be electron rich, this will be electron deficient, that's why it will be add to this one. When this is electrophile, this is nucleophile, that's why it is called electrophilic addition reaction. Electrophilic addition reaction. Then we will get here CH3, otherwise we will write down also because we have to get two transition state. CH3, CH, CH2. Now this is dotted line, BH2, H, and here this pi bond will be dotted. It is bond move like this, that's what is negatively charged, partial negative charge. When it is move like this, this negative donate to this one, bond forming here, partial bond formation. This partial bond breaking, here partial bond formation, this is partial bond breaking. That's why when bond move like this and this negative, this will be the positive. That's why I will write here partial positive charge. Okay. Next one, CH3, CH, CH2, here BH2, here H, like this. That time it will be give the partial negative charge, this will be give the partial positive charge. This will be the primary carbocation, this will be get the secondary carbocation. Carbon bonded with the two carbon having positive charge, this is secondary carbocation. Carbon bonded with the one carbon, this is primary carbocation. These are non-classical carbocation. It means not completely charged. Complete positive charge like this forming, that is classical carbocation. Partial positive charge, partial negative charge are like this present mean this is classical, non-classical carbocation, non-classical carbanion we have to call that. So these are the transition state. Which transition state is stable? Secondary carbocation formed transition state is stable than the primary carbocation. This is less stable. That's why we will use this one only. This step, when react with this H2O and NaOH, we will get the product is CH3, CH2, CH2OH. But keep in mind, addition of this OH to this carbon, when its BH2 eliminate, these are retention configuration. So that is also important for the competitive exam. So this replacement of OH to the BH is retention configuration. This is a syn addition. BH2 and H is added to the same side to the double bond, that's what is called syn addition. Regioselective. Regioselective means that bond formation with this any kind of molecule to the different position. For example, here hydrogen bonded to this secondary carbon, BH2 bonded to the primary carbon. But in this case, BH2 bonded to the secondary carbon, hydrogen bonded to this primary carbon. It is called regioselective, but it gives a one only major product, that is called regioselective. Stereo selective. Stereo selective meaning what is that? For example, if you take like this is one alkene cyclic compound. Okay, so this will be front side. It means near to the observer. This part. Okay, like this. If you observe, then this part is near to the observer. This is away. This corner part is away to the observer. Then this is like a planar molecule. If you consider, then H and BH2 will be added to the top same side or bottom. It means space selective. You can add from the top also. You can add from the bottom also. That's what it is called stereo selective. It means space selective. In any one of the side you can add. That time what will we give the product? For this one compound we will get, this is not actually planar. That's why because it is like a envelope type shape. If you take this one and react with the same BH3, THF, H2O, H2O2 and any of it, then that time product will be we will get product is HOH. Remaining already hydrogens are present here. That's why this is hydrogen, hydrogen. Otherwise, we will get here, this is from the downside, this is planar molecule like this. So now H is added to here and OH added to here. It means same side. It means H and BH2 will all, that I am writing product only. If this one, H and OH. So this is from the downside attacks in, this is top side, this top view, this is a bottom view. So equal molar, this both product will be formed in this case, because here there is no any other side chain will be there, not present. That's why you will get the equimolar products. Then we can, if you want write, then you can write here HH also. Okay. Otherwise, here will be the H, here will be the OH also. We can write. There is no problem. So that is called equimolar mixture of products. Now, I will give the different molecule. Then what will be the product? For example, already this is I given. Now CH3, CH, CH3, CH2. Keep in mind there is no rearrangement product. This is a very important point I forgot before that in silent features. So there is no rearrangement product. Very important point. No rearrangement products. Very important. Same this BH3, THF, all will be same. Next CH3, CH, CH3, next these are the questions we have to solve. For example, here Markovnikov or anti-Markovnikov product means anti-Markovnikov means non-Markovnikov product will be there. Then CH3, CH, CH3, CH2, OH. So it will be give non-Markovnikov product. If it is a CH3, CH, CH3, CH2, CH2, OH. There is no rearrangement. Actually, it gives a stable carbocation after rearrangement. But here there is no rearrangement product. This is one step reaction. This is not 2-3 steps. This is concerted reaction. One step mechanism. That's why there is no rearrangement. And next pH, CH2, CH, 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 CH3 twice. Now both are having less substitute because CH only. Any one of the side you can add, no problem. For example, I am adding here OH and I am adding here H, then it gives me like this product. Some other examples also we will discuss with the cyclic. Then if these cyclic compounds are given, the cyclic compounds are like this, one is H, another is CH3. Here also same BH3, THF, H2O and H2O2 and NaOH. Then what will be the product? Next, this is CH3 and here double bond, here CH3. Same reactant. Next one, like a cyclic compound, one more. For this, here is a H, here is a CH3 is given. Here also reactants are this, whatever reagents are used same. Next, CH3, CH2, CH3 double bond, CH, or you can write like this, CH, CH2, CH3. If you want, you can write down also. This is CH2, CH3. Then this is which one? Ethyl groups are opposite. That's what it is E isomer. If you want, then Z isomer also write. Then what will be the product? Okay. Then I will discuss one more example here. Double bond at this position. Like this. Next, double bond will be get like this. Next, otherwise you can write double bond here also. So what will be the product? In this case, these two are in same side, then the addition of H and BH2 will not be in the front side, that should be the opposite side. Then this side will be OH and anti-Markovnikov product. This side will be H. This type of question also very important nowadays for NEET and JEE mains. Now for this one, this is the front side, this is a methyl group. Now here will be H, here will be the OH. Then we will write here normal bond only, right? No problem. And this is front side, then the addition of hydrogen and this OH will be in opposite, that is away to the observer. This is very important. And sometimes they may ask the question how many chiral carbons are present. This is a one chiral carbon. This is one more chiral carbon. This is one more chiral carbon. Next, for this one, already I told you that in cyclic compound it will be the exo product. So in bicyclic compound this is then here will be methyl group is there. Then this will be the OH outside exo product. So remaining, these are the example you have to do your own. So if you understand well, then automatically you will do this example also. So this is about the hydroboration oxidation. The very important once again I am discussing here. First one, the addition of this H and BH2 is the syn or same sign. Next one, the product formed is non-Markovnikov or anti-Markovnikov product, and there is no rearrangement product. If like this bicyclo compound is there, exo product. And next, sometime here they may use solvent. That may be if alcohol is there, that time you will get the ether product. For example, for this only consider that time you will get answer is here CH3. Ether product you will get. Okay. And next, if like this stereochemistry given mean front mean you have to write the back product. If back given mean you have to write the front product. Okay. So this is about a clear information, and sometimes they may give the here instead of this 2, if like this BH3 solvent will be D2. If here both are already BH3H2 hydrogen respectively given, one now changed. Now BD3, this will be the H2O. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is a 4. Here will be the BD3 and here will be the D2O. So if first one used already we know, if here methyl alcohol only H2O is there, then what will get the product here? OH. In second case, H is added from the BH3, and in mechanics if you observe H2O last hydrolysis step only this OH will be added. That's why here we will get D2O mean OD we will get. If BD3 and H2O is there, then that time we will get here D and here we will get the H. If both are deuterium complex, that time we will get here both are DD. So this is also very important type. So thank you very much.